In 10 lines of open source code, let's create this beginner-friendly Llama 4 agentic data science AI running in a notebook. I created this demo by simplifying a Kaggle notebook from one of my Kaggle Grandmaster coworkers at NVIDIA. This do-it-yourself AI generates and executes Python and Pandas code using Llama 4. It's all running on free GPUs provided by Google Colab and the NVIDIA Developer Program. The 5 things we'll cover are how to get our free API key from the NVIDIA Developer Program, the API endpoint we'll use, the model name for Llama 4, a sample data set from Kaggle, and 5 are 10 lines of code that make everything work together. If you don't have one already, you'll need a free account that you can get on build.nvidia.com. It's a typical process of providing your email and verifying your email with the code. Click here for the free API key, and then we'll copy it for later. Now click Models, search Llama, click Llama 4, and now copy the endpoint URL and copy the model name. In Kaggle, search NYC parking violations, click 2022 small, and then download the dataset. Create a new Colab notebook, attach a T4 GPU, now this command to accelerate pandas with NVIDIA CUDA. Click this key, this button, give your API key a name, then paste the value from before. Give your notebook access, then copy and paste this code into a cell. Don't make this mistake, put the right name, and now you have access to that key. Click the folder icon, then make sure you drag and drop the dataset from Kaggle, that way you can use it in the notebook. Finally, our code. Rerun this magic command just in case to speed up pandas with the GPU, then we have a few imports. Here's our initial prompt, kind of a typical setup. We also include an example prompt and the expected pandas code output that is operated on the data frame we pass in. We make our AI agent in the form of a function for simplicity. We have a bunch of default parameters preset, and the only parameter that will change during the conversation will be the query. I find the OpenAI client API more convenient than the request API. The prompt needs to be in this JSON format and keeps the context of the entire conversation. Next, we call the client here and get the response all at once. The print statement is optional. And finally, we extract and run the Python code from the LLM's response. We tested out with this first prompt, and I must say the plot looks really nice. Very cool. I went back and added a little bit of code so that I could see the code that the LLM responded with before it gets executed, and it still looks pretty good. Back in the Kaggle dataset, if you click code, you can see the original notebook that is more object-oriented than the notebook here. I hope you try this for yourself, make it your own, and share it with the world. Cheers and happy coding.